All right, guys, 1971 Chevy Chevelle. Look at this thing. Beautiful purple. And this was painted in his garage, guys. I was shocked. He just had it buffed and waxed and all that. So it's got a really nice shine to it. Look at that. It's clean. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got long tube headers there and there. Oh, it's got a 454 in it, by the way, guys. And a 700 transmission. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And what we did is installed cutouts for him. He's gonna take it to his mechanic to run the electric to it. But we installed the cutouts and custom turn downs for him right there and right there, because the turn downs that come with it are really tiny, doesn't work. So we made him some custom turn downs to get everything away from the car. And then he's got two FLOWMASTER 40s right there and right there. And then 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side. There and there. We did the tailpipes a while back, about 2 years ago. And there's the tips out the back right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And he loves purple so much, he even got purple Mountain Dew. Look how clean it is on the inside, guys. Really nice. I like it. Got custom speaker in there so it doesn't damage the aesthetics of it. Clean car. Classic FLOWMASTER sound. We'll bring up a follow-up video once he gets them all wired up. Sounds good. 454. Right at 97. Sounds good. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. Should he change the mufflers or keep them the same? Or I like the cutouts. The cutouts will give it that straight pipe sound. So once he gets them wired up, I think it'll sound really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. You weren't kidding, man. Wow, look at this thing. It is really nicely done.
Yeah, I got the tubular in.
Yeah. There's a tubular ends.
Alternator system with the external regulator.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I had to bypass it.
Yeah. That's
Still
beautiful.
got some window well.
Like you said, it never ends.
No, there's always something to do. They're never done until you sell it.
And then you get a bigger project after, you know?
Yeah. There's something.
Now, see, that's the customer revving it. We don't rev it that hard. People like get mad at us. Oh, you're revving it too hard. Like, we don't even get it to 4,000 RPM. Ah, he's setting up. He's setting up. He's got power. Enjoy.
Several days later.
Guys, he's back. He's got them all connected. The cutoffs. So he's got all the electric ran to it. So we're gonna do a before with them closed and then an after with them open. So they're closed now, right? Go ahead. So they're closed right now. As you guys can see. Sounds good. And now he's gonna open them. Electric cutout. Which one do you guys like more? Again? beast. I like it. That's them open. That's badass, man. I like it. Sound decibel's probably about 120. Electric cutouts. I love it. Take it down the road. So he's got the electric cutouts open now. And he's gonna take it down the road, let us hear it. It was a nice drive off. I love me some good old classic cars that sound phenomenal. Sucker fly. Woo! I love it. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, he's coming back. There he goes. You guys gotta admit that's a sexy car. It sounds so much better with them open. Yeah, it sounds so much better. I love it. It's so throaty. I say keep them open. No, yeah, who cares? It's an old car, they don't care. She's clean, man. Wow. All right, guys, here we go. Closed. Now it's gonna be open. Open is better. Way better. Sounds so good. Yeah. That's the next. You gotta get a cam in it. No? You don't like the chop? Everybody's different. I personally like the chop. Chop, 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 chop. Trying to catch up. Oh, look at that. Got a double header out of it. And construction update, guys, for today. They got the windows in. They're starting to put windows in. Look at that. It rained really bad yesterday and then they're back to work today.